Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of the human body. Get ready to be amazed by some incredible functions you probably didn't know about. I mean, we spend all our time our bodies, but how much do we really know about what's going on in there? Turns out a lot. So buckle up, because we're about to go on a wild ride through 11 fascinating human body functions that'll make you say, what the what? First up, let's talk about the brain. This 3-pound organ is the control center of our entire being, and it's capable of some seriously mind-blowing stuff. One of the most incredible things about the brain is its ability to rewire itself, a fancy term scientists call neuroplasticity. Basically, our brains are constantly changing and adapting based on our experiences. Every time we learn something new, pick up a new skill, or even just have a new thought, our brain forms new connections between neurons. It's like the ultimate DIY project, constantly under construction and always improving. So next time you're feeling stuck or like you can't teach an old dog new tricks, just remember, your brain is literally designed to learn and grow. Next up, we've got the liver, the unsung hero of our digestive system. This organ works tirelessly to filter our blood, metabolize nutrients, and detoxify all the junk we put into our bodies. And get this, the liver is the only internal human organ capable of natural regeneration. That's right, it can literally regrow itself. Cut off a piece, it grows back. Damage it, it repairs itself. It's like the Wolverine of internal organs. Of course, this doesn't mean we should go around testing the limits of our livers. I'm looking at you people who think tequila is a personality trait. But it's still pretty amazing to know that our bodies have this incredible ability to heal and regenerate. Now let's talk about the heart, the rhythmic engine that keeps us going. We all know it pumps blood, but did you know it has its own built-in electrical system? This system, known as the cardiac conduction system, is responsible for generating and coordinating the electrical impulses that make our hearts beat. It's like a tiny, perfectly synchronized electrical grid, powering the most vital organ in our bodies. These electrical signals travel through the heart in a specific pattern, causing the different chambers to contract and relax in perfect harmony. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance, but instead of fancy footwork, it's all about keeping us alive. So next time you feel your heart beating, take a moment to appreciate the intricate electrical symphony happening inside your chest. Let's move on to the immune system, our body's very own personal army, always on guard to protect us. It's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together tirelessly to protect us from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. This intricate system is always on the lookout for anything that doesn't belong. And one of the coolest things about the immune system is its memory. It doesn't just fight off invaders, it learns from each encounter. You know how you get sick with a certain virus once, and then your body builds up immunity to it? That's because your immune system remembers that virus. That's your immune system's memory in action. It keeps a record of every pathogen it has defeated, so it can respond more effectively the next time. It's like having a team of highly trained secret agents who keep detailed files on all the bad guys they've encountered before. These agents are always ready to spring into action. So, the next time that same virus tries to sneak in, your immune system is ready to take it down before it can even cause any trouble. It's a swift and efficient response, so thanks to our immune system, we can go through life without having to worry about catching the same cold a million times. It's a remarkable system that ensures our well-being. Okay folks, let's talk about the skin. You know, that thing that keeps our insides in and the outside out. It's more than just a barrier, it's a complex, multifunctional organ. Yeah, that's kind of important. Without it, we'd be in big trouble. It's our largest organ. And it does way more than just make us look presentable. Though it does a pretty good job of that too, depending on the day. It protects us from harmful microbes and helps regulate our body temperature. One of the most impressive things about our skin is its incredible ability to heal itself. It's like having a built-in repair system. Think about it. Every cut, scrape, burn, and blemish we've ever had has been meticulously repaired by our skin, often without leaving a trace. This regenerative power is truly remarkable. It's like having a team of microscopic construction workers working around the clock to keep our outer layer in tip-top shape. They're constantly renewing and repairing. And they do it all while battling the elements, regulating our body temperature, and keeping us looking fresh. So next time you look in the mirror, give a nod to your skin for all the hard work it does. Now let's venture into the digestive system, shall we? It's a wild ride, folks. Buckle up. We're talking about a system so efficient, so dedicated to breaking down everything you throw at it, that it puts even the most dedicated foodie to shame. Think about it. From the moment you take a bite of pizza or salad, if that's your thing, to the, well, end result, your digestive system is hard at work. It's like a complex network of conveyor belts, sorting machines, and chemical processing plants, all working together to extract every last bit of energy and nutrients from your food. It's a beautiful thing, really. Let's breathe easy for a second and talk about our lungs. I mean, these guys are literally keeping us alive with every breath we take. Talk about pressure. But did you know our lungs are also equipped with their own tiny cleaning crew? These microscopic heroes are called cilia, and they work tirelessly to sweep away dust, debris, and other foreign particles that we breathe in every day. It's like having a miniature army of dustbusters working around the clock to keep our airways clear. So next time you take a deep breath, thank your cilia for keeping things clean down there. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Now let's give it up for the kidneys, the unsung heroes of waste management in our bodies. These bean-shaped organs are small but mighty, filtering our blood and removing waste products like champs. Think of your kidneys like a high-tech water filtration system, constantly working to keep your blood clean and balanced. They filter out toxins, excess water, and other waste products, sending them on their way to be flushed out of your body. But that's not all. These multitasking marvels also help regulate blood pressure, produce red blood cells, and even activate vitamin D. So next time you take a sip of water, remember to thank your kidneys for keeping you hydrated and toxin-free. Now, let's talk about our eyes, the windows to our souls, and also to that hilarious cat video we just watched. Our eyes are incredibly complex organs, capable of processing vast amounts of visual information in the blink of an eye, literally. One of the coolest things about our eyes is their ability to adjust to different light levels. You know how when you walk into a dark room, it takes a few minutes for your eyes to adjust? That's your pupils dilating, allowing more light to enter your eye so you can see better in low light. And the opposite happens when you walk into a bright room. Your pupils constrict to limit the amount of light entering your eye, preventing glare and protecting your sensitive retinas. It's like having built-in sunglasses. Let's move on to our muscles, the movers and shakers of our bodies. These incredible tissues are what allow us to perform a wide range of activities, from the simplest to the most complex. They're responsible for everything from walking and talking to lifting heavy things, and then regretting it later. Every movement we make, no matter how small, involves the coordination of multiple muscles working together. But did you know that our muscles also have memory? It's true. This fascinating phenomenon is what helps us retain skills over time. It's called muscle memory. And it's the reason why it's easier to relearn a skill or activity that you haven't done in a while. This memory is stored in the neural pathways that connect our brain to our muscles. Our muscles remember the movements and coordination patterns from past experiences, making it faster and easier to pick them back up again. This is why athletes can return to their peak performance after a break. So even if you haven't ridden a bike in years, your muscles will remember how it's done. The neural pathways that were formed when you first learned to ride are still there, waiting to be reactivated. Of course, this doesn't mean you'll be able to hop on and ride like a pro right away. It takes a bit of time and practice to get back into the groove, but it does mean that with a little practice, you'll be back to your old tricks in no time. So don't be afraid to dust off that bike or revisit an old hobby. Your muscles have got your back. Last but not least, let's talk about the endocrine system, the body's chemical messenger service. This complex network of glands produces and releases hormones which act like tiny chemical messengers, traveling throughout the body and regulating a wide range of bodily functions. We're talking about everything from growth and development to metabolism and mood. It's like the body's own internal communication system, making sure everything is running smoothly. And when everything is in balance, it's a beautiful thing. But when hormones are out of whack, it can lead to a whole host of problems. So it's important to take care of our endocrine systems by eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. And there you have it, folks. 11 incredible functions of the human body that make you appreciate just how amazing we all are. From the self-rewiring powers of our brains to the tireless filtration of our kidneys, our bodies are capable of some truly mind-blowing things. It's enough to make you want to take a moment and just appreciate the miracle that is the human body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Stay curious.